Hello children, see what can you see on the screen? You can see Gunintalu on the screen. Isn't it children? We have learned the Gunintalu. So to learn more effectively, okay, with more easy method, here I prepared few worksheets for you children. Okay, I prepared few worksheets. Listen here carefully what you can see on the screen. Yes, in the type of missing letters. Here, the first gunintam is for you is ka gunintam. So ka dash. Kaku talakatise ka dash. Kaku gudiste ki. What will come next? Okay. Kakko misteko dash. Kakurutva mistekru. Kakurutva diga mistekru. Again dash. Kakitva diga mistake. Again dash. Kakuotva misteko. Again dash. Dash. Come dash. So what will come here? Yes. Can you say ka after? Kaku talakatise ka. Dirgamiste ka. Okay. Next. Kaku gudiste ki. Kaku kudi dirgamiste ki. Next. Kakko misteku. Kaku komu dirgamisteku. Okay, like this. Okay, children. Now in this way you have to write. If you want to learn Gunintam, you can ask your parents to keep in this way. And next one, children, pa. Pa ku dirgham iste pa. See, children, after completing your this FA1 tomorrow, please write this worksheet in your FA1 book. Okay, this carries marks also, children. Okay, I will send you in the form of here in the My Class app also. This you have to write after your FA exam. Okay, this carries 5 marks, children. This carries 5 marks. Okay, now this is a Pagunintam. You have to write Kagunintam, Pagunintam. And next is the, yes, here. What is there in the circle? Cha is there. Isn't it right, children? You can see the cha in the circle. And arrow related to what? Chaku dirgham is say cha. Chaku gudi say chi. Chaku gudi dirgham is say chi. Chakurutvam is say true. Chakurutva dirgham is say true. Okay, sorry. Chakom is say true. Chakom dirgham is say true. Chakurutvam is say true. Chakurutva dirgham is say true. This you have to write side. Okay, one by one. Again here da. Da ko etva dirgham iste de. Da ko etvam iste de. Da ko etva dirgham iste de. Da ko etvam iste dhai. Da ko etvam iste dho. Da ko etva dirgham iste dho. Da ko etvam iste dhau. Da పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే దమ్. ఇలా పక్కన రాయాలి మీరు. You have to write beside. Okay. Now, see, so easy ma. You can do it. And next here, add symbol and pronouns. Okay, add a symbol and pronouns. Here in the circle, one small symbol is given. What is that symbol? Talakattu. Chaku talakatti se cha. Gaku talakatti se ga. Taku talakatti se ta. Okay. Jaku dirgham se ja. Taku dirgham se ta. Daku dirgham se da. Okay, like this you have to write. Now next is Taku etu dirgham. Okay. Paku etu dirgham se pe. మాకు ఎత్తు దీర్ఘం ఇస్తే మే, నాకు కొమ్మిస్తే ను, రాకు కొమ్మిస్తే రు, యాకు కొమ్మిస్తే యు. Okay, write in this way the worksheet, children. Okay, you have to write. See, lako lo, shako tumise show, sako tumise so, dako autumise dau, dako autumise dau, bako autumise bau. Okay, see. How nice, na? This is easy way you can learn, no? Yes, you can learn so easy way. Now next is the here ga. Ga ku talakatiste ga, ga ku dirgamiste ga, ga gudiste gi, ga gudirgamiste gi. In this way also you can write. Aitvam, otvam, otadirgam in this way. Now next is ma. Gagunintam, yagunintam, jagunintam. You should write. Okay, this is the 4 papers. 4 I am giving you children. Please write it. Okay, children. Please write it and learn it. See, worksheet. This worksheet carries 5 marks, children. Okay, this carries 5 marks. So please don't miss it. See, down you see, ga for ma I gave etvam, etvadirgam. Can you see on the screen? Aitvam. For this also you should write only this only. What I have given that only write. Mako etvam is me, mako etvadirgam is me, mako aitvam is mai, mako otvam is mo, mako etvadirgam is mo, mako otvam is mau. Mapakal sunna better mamma. How much I give that much only? Yeah. Because if you learn in this way, easily you can identify the letters and you can learn perfectly. Getting my point, children? See, these I prepared for you. So, surely you have to learn and write. These 4 pages you write as a worksheet. Once again, I'm reminding you, children, this worksheet, please write. Tomorrow I will send after completion of your FA1. Okay, after completion of your FA1, please write this worksheet. Okay, children? Is it clear to you all? In this way, you can practice other things also that so that you can learn so easily. Okay? Is it clear? I think, children. So, on the line. Okay, on the line you should write. Tomorrow I am going to send. Okay, children, all the best for your exam. Bummalapelu, everything write neatly and submit your books. Okay, children, bye. Take care.